everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for all things beautiful outside the home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever dreamed of stepping outside into a space that feels completely timeless, deeply comforting, and effortlessly beautiful? That is the exact magic of a farmhouse garden landscaping design. At its core, farmhouse garden design is an intentional approach to landscaping that blends rustic, traditional country elements with a relaxed, unstructured layout. Unlike formal gardens that rely on strict symmetry and perfectly manicured hedges, a farmhouse garden embraces natural imperfections, soft flowing lines, and a harmonious mixture of functional structures and romantic, free-flowing plant life. It is a style that feels deeply rooted in history, celebrating a simpler way of living, while welcoming the untamed beauty of nature right to your doorstep. Beyond its undeniable aesthetic appeal, bringing a farmhouse garden design into your life comes with a wealth of incredible benefits. One of the greatest advantages is its forgiving and low-maintenance nature. Because this style embraces a slightly wild, overgrown look, you do not need to obsess over every single weed or spend hours achieving pristine perfection. Additionally, farmhouse gardens are fantastic for local ecosystems, as the dense mixing of multi-layered perennials, shrubs, and flowering trees creates a thriving sanctuary for beneficial pollinators like bees, butterflies, and local birds. This style also maximizes the functionality of your land by seamlessly blending ornamental beauty with practical features, allowing you to integrate edible herb beds, vegetable patches, and fruit trees directly into your decorative borders. Ultimately, it establishes a deeply serene, nostalgic outdoor living area that reduces stress and invites you to slow down and savor the open air. Decorating your farmhouse garden to look absolutely spectacular is all about layering texture, history, and organic materials. To anchor the space, start by integrating hardscaping elements made from natural stone, painted timber, gravel paths, and weathered brick to establish that classic, lived-in country foundation. Focus on creating charming transitions using rustic architectural features such as simple wooden picket fences, wooden gates with bold black hardware, or custom timber pergolas wrapped in climbing vines. You can infuse personality into the landscape by scattering vintage accents throughout your garden beds. Think galvanized metal watering cans repurposed as planters, antique wheelbarrows overflowing with annuals, or simple wooden benches placed under shady trees. The key is to make every decorative element feel as though it has a story to tell, ensuring that your hardscaping and rustic decor blend seamlessly into the surrounding greenery. To achieve that iconic, abundant farmhouse look, your plant selection should favor variety, movement, and rich color palettes. The backbone of your garden should consist of classic flowering perennials and soft ornamental grasses that sway gently in the breeze, such as lavender, striking lupins, delicate poppies, and fluffy hydrangeas. For structural height and classic romance, incorporate climbing plants like English ivy, wisteria, or climbing roses trained to scale your walls, trellises, or fences. To keep the landscape looking lush and structured throughout the changing seasons, layer in neatly clipped boxwood spheres, dense green shrubs, and ornamental trees like Japanese maples or dense evergreens. Mixing different heights, textures, and blooming schedules ensures that your farmhouse garden remains visually dynamic, colorful, and enchanting from early spring all the way through late autumn. Now, let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the top 10 best small patio garden design ideas to spark your creativity. 1. The welcoming country estate courtyard. This design showcases a stunning U-shaped white farmhouse with painted timber siding and a classic wood shake roof. A beautiful black wooden crossbuck fence and matching double gate frame the entrance, anchored by light-colored brick pillars. The walkway features elegant natural stone pavers bordered by rustic gravel and low-maintenance mounds of gray-green rosemary and olive shrubs, creating a clean yet deeply inviting entryway. 2. Alpine Chalet Cottage Garden bursting with color. Perfect for multi-story homes with rustic wood and plaster facades. This look utilizes vibrant window boxes filled with trailing pink and red geraniums. Below the balcony, a lush green vine bower creates a natural archway over the window, leading down to beautifully shaped garden beds. The pathways are lined with neat, low boxwood hedges that enclose a playful explosion of orange marigolds, white sweet alyssum, and deep purple lobelia. 3. English cottage border with picket fence charm. This classic look features a low white picket fence running along a lush green lawn, separating it from a dense, romantic flower border. Towering spires of yellow and purple lupins mingle with bright orange poppies and deep pink peonies against a backdrop of mature, rich green privacy hedges and a weathered brick outbuilding. A gravel path winds gracefully along the edge, offering a perfect storybook setting. 4. Enchanting woodland oasis with tiered stone steps. For sloped properties, this design uses wide, flagstone steps flanked by a multi-tiered rock garden and a cascading natural stone waterfall feature. The landscape is packed with rich textures, including dark purple coleus, bright green hostas, neatly manicured mounded shrubs, and a spectacular crimson Japanese maple. In the background, a hidden wooden gazebo provides a private retreat amidst the dense canopy of trees. 5. Contemporary architectural farmhouse with sloping green roof. This innovative design features a modern, long-form stone and timber home with a dramatic, sloping shingle roofline that mimics the natural hillside. The expansive green lawn is broken up by fieldstone stepping stones and a circular stone-lined fire pit area. Architectural plantings include sculptural yucca plants, frangipani trees, and strategically placed warm uplighting that accentuates the home's unique geometry at dusk. 6. Southern colonial front porch with vibrant annual beds. This design highlights a grand white colonial-style farmhouse featuring tall white columns, a spacious front porch, and dark green shutters. The porch stairs are flanked by elegant black urn planters holding perfectly sheared topiary trees and trailing bright green sweet potato vines. Along the stone walkway, a dense, continuous bed of fiery red salvia and cheerful yellow marigolds creates a striking contrast against the crisp white architecture. 7. Sophisticated brick manor backyard with ornamental grasses. This expansive rear landscape blends a classic red brick manor house with a luxurious poolside retreat. The foreground is defined by a deep garden bed filled with mass-planted, feathery feather reed grass and soft white hydrangeas, adding texture and movement. A manicured lawn with inset stone pavers leads back to an elegant open-air patio complete with a large white market umbrella and formal boxwood hedges. 8. Elegant carriage house gravel driveway and formal edging. This pristine country layout features a classic white 3-car garage or carriage house with warm crossbuck timber doors. A sweeping gravel courtyard driveway is meticulously framed by cobblestone borders and a perfectly level, low-set boxwood hedge. Crisp green lawns and large, tightly sheared boxwood spheres add a sense of clean, formal structure to the otherwise rustic, tree-lined property. 9. Rustic hillside retreat with corten steel retaining walls. Embracing a more rugged, pastoral aesthetic, this design utilizes weathered corten steel retaining walls to create a step terrace on a vast hillside. A wide wooden staircase leads down into an expansive decomposed granite or sand patio complete with a simple iron fire bowl. The entire landscape is softened by mass plantings of blowing white fountain grass and architectural native shrubs that blend seamlessly into the distant rolling hills. 10. Classic suburban farmhouse foundation planting. This timeless look features a light-toned siding and brick home with a gently curving concrete walkway cutting through a deeply mulched garden bed. The landscaping is exceptionally clean, utilizing varying sizes of dark green boxwood spheres, bright golden green barberry shrubs, and dense borders of variegated liriope grass. A pop of seasonal color is introduced through large porch pots filled with cascading pink and white petunias. Bringing a farmhouse garden to life is all about celebrating the beautiful connection between your home and the natural world around you. By combining sturdy hardscaping materials, vintage charm, and an abundance of soft, colorful perennials, you can create a space that feels both nostalgic and refreshingly alive. Whether you have a vast country acreage or a small suburban front yard, these design principles can be adapted to fit your unique lifestyle, providing you with a gorgeous sanctuary that grows more beautiful with each passing year. If you fell in love with any of these farmhouse garden ideas, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our weekly design inspiration here at Garden Decor Designs. We want to hear from you. Which of our top 10 designs was your absolute favorite? And what plants are you planning to add to your yard this season? Let us know in the comments below. Share this video with your fellow plant lovers, and until next time, happy gardening!